Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm super excited to have you here as we dive into the world of anime-style Toon shaders in Blender 3D. If you ever wanted that iconic, vibrant, and bold look that is anime for your 3D model, you are in the right place. In this video, we're going to go through the process of creating basic Toon shaders from scratch. I'll walk you through step by step on how to set up the materials, adjust lighting, and add those perfect cel shading effects that really make your models cool. So, without wasting any time, let's start learning this tutorial. First add a plane and scale it a little. Then add a UV sphere and apply the subdivision surface modifier to it by pressing Ctrl 2. Then select the shader editor instead of the timeline below and add a new material and go to the material workspace. Then select and delete the principal BSDF and add the diffuse BSDF shader to RGB and color ramp nodes. And connect them together like I'm doing. Then change the type of the color ramp from linear to constant and select the white color and set its value to 0.5. Then go to the render workspace and add a sunlight and adjust it to your liking and then increase its strength to 5 or 6. After adjusting the sunlight and your objects properly, select the UV sphere. And change the value of white from the color ramp to 0.25. Then change it to the color of your choice and hover over it for a while and press Ctrl C to copy this color and press Ctrl V to paste it on the black color. Then go to the value of this second color and enter /3, which will make this second color like a shadow. Then go to Factors, go to Color Management, and select Standard instead of Filmic in the View Transform. If you want, you can give your plane a custom texture to improve the look of your scene. After doing all this, we will now create the outlines of our object. To create outlines, add a new material and convert its surface to emission. And select the color you want to give to the outlines. I will select black for myself. Then go to Settings and tick on Backface. Without this, your outlines may not show up. Then apply the Solidify modifier and then go to Normals and tick Flip as well and go to Materials and set the material value to 1. And then increase the value of the Solidify modifier as per your requirement. Reduce the UV sphere and adjust it well down. As you can see, our anime-style Toon shader is ready. If you want, you can also give your UV sphere tone shaders 3 or 4 colors instead of 2, which gives a very nice anime-style look. Apply it the same way I am applying it. You can also give your own color if you want. Now you can apply this tone shader to any other object and you can also adjust it as you wish. As you can see, as we change the color of the monkey, the color of our UV sphere is also changing. To set this, click on this button. I don't want to do this for myself. So as you can see, our anime-style Toon shader is completely ready. Now you can change or adjust it as you wish. Alright, that's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create those cool anime-style Toon shaders in Blender. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and maybe even consider subscribing for more awesome Blender tips and tricks. If you have any questions, ideas for future tutorials, or just want to share your results, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, if you'd like me to leave you with more content, just let me know by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.